Hi, I'm Marek Mulaczyk. Welcome to this another video, and this time I want to talk about this. Here's another idea, another example with masking and tracking masks. I'm back to this video with the women, and here's another example of masking. On this video, I'm going to apply Lumetri color. So just to make it quick and easy, I'm just going to go here to our video effects, color correction, and Lumetri color. The clip selected, I'll just double click to apply it. Okay, so if I collapse Gaussian blur, got Lumetri color here, right? Then I'm going to make a mask. Now I'm going to do a quick one, so I don't want to waste your time. So if I zoom in here, I'll pick one of the ladies here, and let's say if I zoom out a little bit, you're probably guessing what I'm trying to do here. So if I grab a pen tool, I'll do quite a quick one here just to make some masks. Say like this. Actually, let me just move this point there. This one here. Here we go. Then we'll just go around. Actually, going to go slightly more around. Just do it a quick one here. All the way around there. Let's say just here. And there and back here. Maybe something like this. Here we go. Okay. And let's do something. So in Lumetri color, if I scroll down, I'll go to, let's see, curves. And on the curves, if we go to hue versus hue, we'll sample the color and we'll change it. Like green. Here you go. That looks nice. Okay. Now back to our mask. Starting from the beginning. It's got a preview. Perfect. Let's start tracking. Oh, my mask should be a little bit bigger here. There we go. Oops. Control Z to undo. Whoops. I'll try to do it as good as we can quite quickly, but not wanting to waste your time too much. This will be just fine. It's the principle that counts. And let's start tracking it. There we go. So we've changed the color of her coat. I think I should move this point up a little bit. So I'm going to stop it. And I'll move it up a little bit. I need to be careful because they both wear the same color. So I continue tracking. This is just an example to show you how you can apply any effect and track it. Let's stop, because here we need a bit more, and then just track it a little bit more. So you can track Lumetri color. You can change someone's clothes color and track it, you know? Like say, I'm just adjust this here. Like think Schindler's List in black and white with the little girl with a red coat. Okay, something like that. Right? So just doing something like that really quickly, so we don't waste too much time. It's the principle that counts in here, so you know how you can do it. You know, you can take your time, make a very precise mask. So I could say stop here, move this point, maybe there. You can decide what about this point here, but let's say I'm going to leave it and do just a little bit more. So say if I just stop it so we don't waste too much time on it, I'm going to trim this clip here at this point, so letter W for the tail edit, as you know, okay? And if I just deselect it and play it, she's wearing a green coat and the other one is wearing a red coat. And you can see here in the timeline that she's actually wearing a red coat. And, you know, we can change the color to whatever we want. So I can select the clip, go to the Effect Controls panel, scroll down the Lumetri Color Effect to Hue versus Hue, and change the color. How about that? Yeah, pretty much any color you like. Okay. Like maybe more, oops, maybe more, say, brown color or anything you like. How about that? There you go. Just an interesting way of using masks and tracking them and changing colors within the clip using masking and tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. You know? And just take your time and make, and you can see it's actually done a really good job, Premiere. So there may not be need to go into After Effects if it's working here, you know. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, any comments. That's the color change and masking and tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro.